Hello my dear friend, if you decide to remove voice typing on your Android keyboard, you are in the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you how to easily remove it. So let's get started. First of all, grab your phone, open any text area or messages field where your keyboard is appear. After that, you can go to the keyboard toolbar section. Here you can try to find the settings icon. Once you found them, simply tap on it to open the page. However, if you don't find the settings icon, don't worry. You can tap on the 4 dots more button. After that, you can click on settings. Once you are in the keyboard settings page, scroll down slowly, locate the voice typing option, click to open it. Right now this option is turned on. To turn it off, simply tap on the toggle switch and turn them off. After it disabled, simply go back to the keyboard appear section and this time no longer be available the voice typing option, and that is how you can easily remove voice typing from your Android keyboard. If you found this guide will help you, like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.